Okay, so yes, we were discussing carbohydrate. Now, in this video, we are going to see a little detail of oligosaccharide. Oligo, oligosaccharides. So we just saw first was monosaccharide, and monosaccharide was one carbon. But here you will find more than one. That could be from two what? 2 to 10. Now, what exactly I'm talking about? Look here. Here is the one monomer, two, three. In monosaccharide, there was only one, but here you find more than one. It could be, it could be like around 10. It could be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, any, but not more than 10. Okay, not because more than 10, there would be another category which we'll also discuss. So here is from 2 to 10, and they are reducing sugar. Like, or every example you find in this would be reducing sugar, except there's one carbon which is not oligosaccharide. Like they that is not, that is oligosaccharide but not reducing sugar. That is sucrose. So sucrose is oligosaccharide, but that is not considered in reducing sugar. Okay, so what if I just ask you one question? My one question is that if I just ask you, what can we hydrolyze hydrolyze the monosaccharide? So what would be answer? Is this true or false? Before I explain, you are supposed to answer this, but still if you don't know, hydrolyze simply means the breakdown. Breakdown of what? Breakdown in the presence of water. Anything you break in the form of water. Hydro means hydrated. Hydrated means taking or intaking of water. So here water would be used. So if I ask you monosaccharide can be hydrolyzed, so that is false. Why? Because as I told you, monosaccharide is one carbon. What will break in this? Okay, there's no any bond. What exactly we are supposed to break? Nothing. So this means we say that this statement is false. This is false. But when you talk about the mono, and here we are discussing oligosaccharide, in this you'll find that there are 2 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here this bond you see, this bond that could be break. So we say that oligosaccharide can be hydrolyzed, whereas monosaccharide cannot be hydrolyzed. Okay, this should be clear. Then I just say two monosaccharide, they are known as disaccharide. Di simply means two. Disaccharide. Disaccharide. Okay, it should be clear. Then this disaccharide is further divided into few categories, and that categories are three again. What exactly are that three? First is maltose, then there's sucrose and lactose. So let's start with the maltose. Maltose. Then you will find what? Then you will find sucrose. Then you will find lactose. So first thing you need to understand and learn this thing, because otherwise you'll forget, and this is the basic. If you forgot this, you could not study biomolecule. Okay, maltose composition is what? That is made up of glucose. This is G. Glucose plus glucose will form maltose. So what are these? These are the composition. We call this as a composition of maltose. Is known as glucose plus glucose. Okay, but when I just ask you, oh god, sorry for this. And then if you talk about the sucrose is glucose plus there's fructose. Glucose plus fructose. Okay, and when you talk about the lactose is glucose plus galactose. There is glucose, no doubt, but there you'll find something else, that is galactose. Don't consider this, I'm writing GAL, which is galactose, whereas this is glucose. Glucose plus fructose formed sucrose. Glucose plus galactose formed lactose. Glucose plus glucose formed maltose. So this was the only basic